Question 15. We've got 4/6 multiplied by 3/5. So we're multiplying some fractions here. And I've written a little note down at the bottom. So if you're multiplying fractions, there is no need for a common denominator. But if we're adding or subtracting fractions, we do actually need a common denominator. But we are multiplying fractions here on question number 15. So we don't need a common denominator. And these are the easy ones. Because when you're multiplying fractions, all you have to do is multiply top times top, and then bottom times bottom. It's as simple as that. Your class teacher will be able to explore this in more detail with you as to why this rule actually works, but the rule itself is very, very simple. If you're multiplying fractions, top times top, bottom times bottom, or numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So here we go. We've got to do 4 times 3, which is going to be 12. And we've got to do 6 times 5, which is going to be 30. So our final answer is going to be 12/30. You would actually get the mark if you left it as 12/30. But if you want to be really clever and actually simplify it, then you are looking for a number that can divide into both 12 and 30. Well, they are actually both in the 6 times table. So if you divide them both by 6, 6's into 12 would go twice, and 6 into 30 would go 5 times. So you could actually put 2/5. So 12/30 or 2/5. You wouldn't get any extra marks for putting 2/5 because this is only a 1-mark question. So the examiner is just testing whether or not you know that it's top times top, bottom times bottom. So 12/30 is completely fine. If you're in year 7 or year 8 or year 9, you might actually get an extra mark for putting 2/5, which is also acceptable. There are other equivalent fractions which would also be acceptable. So let's go back to the 12/30. You may not have spotted that they both divide by 6, so you might have actually divided them both by 2 instead, in which case you would have got 6/15. So 6/15 would also be an acceptable answer as well.